Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to fix Google Authenticator not working problem. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open App Store or Play Store, whatever you have, then search for Google Authenticator and open it like so, and make sure that you do not have any updates. Once you update it, click on open. Once you open it, here you have these several options. Go and click on the settings menu on the top left side, then go and choose settings. And now go and click on time correction for codes. Then go and click on sync now. After you click on sync now, this message will pop out. Simply click on OK. Once you click on OK, you'll have to restart your phone. Now, if you still face the problem, you'll have to get back and open the application again. Then go and click on your profile picture on the top right side. Once you open your profile picture here, you will see these options. Click on use without an account. And after you click on use without an account, click on continue. And after that, go and sign in back to your account and choose your account again and try to see if the issue is fixed or not. And most probably it will be fixed. And you do not actually need to restart your phone. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.